and welcome to this session. Learning Outcome. C. Understand how to select material from the outcome of research activities. Today, we will explore how to evaluate, filter, and organize information effectively, ensuring that your findings are relevant, reliable, and useful for achieving your research objectives. Relevance is a key principle in selecting research material. Data must directly answer the research question or test the hypothesis. Information that doesn't support objectives should be excluded. For instance, data on leisure activities is irrelevant in a productivity study. Focus on material that contributes to your research goals. Data quality is essential for credible research outcomes. In quantitative research, check for missing values or outliers. In qualitative research, assess clarity and credibility of responses. Exclude unclear or unreliable data. High-quality data strengthens research validity. Consistency and comparability are vital when selecting research material. Data must be measured consistently for meaningful comparisons. Use the same scales for reliable results. Mixing incompatible measures can distort findings. Ensure data comparability to enhance research reliability. In qualitative research, focus on key themes and representative evidence. Choose quotations illustrating recurring patterns. Avoid isolated or extreme views. Use theoretical frameworks to guide selection. Ensure material reflects core themes linked to the research question. Quantitative research selection focuses on statistically meaningful results. Select material based on significance and relevance. Acknowledge results not meeting statistical thresholds. Avoid overemphasizing insignificant data. Ensure selected material aligns with research hypotheses. Maintain objectivity by avoiding selective data choices. Consider all relevant findings, including contradictory results. This supports research integrity. Strengthen credibility by avoiding bias. Ensure balanced consideration of all evidence. Ethical responsibility influences material selection. Anonymize sensitive information, exclude data that could identify participants, comply with data protection requirements. Ethical selection enhances research credibility. Organize selected material logically for presentation. Group data into themes, categories, or tables. Clear communication of findings is essential. Logical organization supports analysis and conclusions. Present data effectively to convey research insights. Understand representative values like mean, median, and mode. Mean is the arithmetic average of values. Median is the middle value in ordered data. Mode is the most frequently occurring value. Use these measures to summarize numerical data effectively. Measures of dispersion show data spread. Standard deviation indicates data variation from the mean. A low deviation suggests consistency, while a high one indicates variation. Normal distribution assumes a symmetrical bell-shaped curve. Use these measures to understand data variability. The correlation coefficient measures the relationship between variables. Positive correlation means variables move together. Negative correlation means they move in opposite directions. Zero correlation indicates no relationship. Use this measure to assess variable interactions. Percentiles divide data into 100 equal parts. Quartiles divide data into 4 equal parts. These measures are useful for comparing individual performance. Identify top performers using these divisions. Use them to understand data distribution. Qualitative analysis focuses on meaning and context. Interpret transcripts to understand perspectives. Use coding techniques to label text segments. Specialist software helps manage large datasets. Identify key themes to draw meaningful insights. Quantitative analysis focuses on numerical data. Use statistical tables to present results clearly. Compare variables to examine relationships. Identify trends over time or groups. Use data to predict future outcomes. Secondary research involves analyzing existing information. Books provide foundational theories. Journals offer up-to-date research findings. Papers and conferences present emerging debates. Use credible sources for comprehensive insights. Credibility assesses if a source is trustworthy. Peer-reviewed journals are highly credible. Validity considers if methods and conclusions are sound. Reliable sources show consistent findings. Frequently cited works indicate academic influence. Validity ensures research methods are appropriate. Reliability examines consistency across studies. Esteem of publications adds to credibility. Widely referenced research shows practical value. Evaluate these aspects for quality literature. The summary table highlights key concepts. Statistics measure central tendency and variation. Data analysis identifies themes and tests relationships. Literature builds a knowledge base. Evaluation assesses quality and credibility. In conclusion, selecting research material is a critical analytical process. It requires careful consideration of relevance, quality, and ethical standards to ensure that findings are valid, reliable, and meaningful. Harvard references provide essential citation details. Miles and Huberman offer qualitative analysis insights. Field discusses statistics using IBM SPSS. Creswell explores qualitative inquiry approaches. Use these references for further study. Refer to ebooks and journals on Moodle for this unit. Further reading enhances understanding. For queries, email learnerwork at the specified address. Submit assignments within 2 weeks post-unit completion. Engage with available resources for comprehensive learning. If you have any questions, please feel free to contact us on WhatsApp at 0748 436 1688. We look forward to seeing you at the next session. Thank you for your attention.